Hello, Miss and classmates. Today I'm sharing with you one of my favorite recipes, breaking chips. It's the preparation with we need ingredients. 1 pound of chips, 2 teaspoons of rinds, 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 cup of breading. The which on the chips with which on the chips there pass on the flour. The better 8. And finally, the bearing.
Yes.
On the finish, the oil in the pan.
Ahora.
When it's the boiling, place the shirt. Leave for about 3 minutes. One they're ready, remove to into a container. To accompany your shirt, there are another bear and some patacons. On the patacon are finished and to serve. Thank you, Miss and friends.